Ciao Tesla people, just received a notification that there is a software update and it's the 2024.38.6. I'm on 38.2, so we can start the installation process. I will start from the screen here. So the download has already been done tonight. Install now. You tap here to make it faster and it's going. Okay. So I'll do a time lapse. It's going to be probably 3 seconds for you, maybe a bit less than half an hour for me. There should be I think 1 or 2 major changes. I'm not sure they are related to my car. We'll see in the change log, and I'll see you in a bit. So I'm done with the installation, and the release notes says minor bug fixes and improvements, which that's the case most likely. But I found out on the site, not the Tesla app, there is one change which doesn't apply to everybody, but applies to Model 3 Performance, I guess the new one. And the change says it's basically the track mode, the powertrain endurance is an option. You can now adjust the powertrain endurance in track mode to help you achieve consistent performance for longer track sessions. Go to Control Dynamics Custom Track Mode, Powertrain Endurance. So you can set it, I guess. So let's see if I have it. So my is a Model 3, is a Model Y Performance. So let's go to Dynamics here, and in Track Mode, Customize, Handling Balance, Save with Dashcam Lapse, okay, Drift Mode. So I don't have it, okay. Here you can set the old profile if you want to do track mode, okay. So looks like that there are no other changes. Let me see if I okay, here, okay, 38.6, okay, looks like there are no other changes, no blue dots here. And let's see in the main menu, no blue dots here, okay. So you usually recognize if there is a major feature change, there'll be a blue dot or the label new to the side of an icon or an option, okay, in the main menu. So this looks like it's the only change that there is. It doesn't apply to my car, so if you have a Model 3 Performance, check it out. In the coming days, we'll see if there are any other changes. Usually undocumented changes come up in 1 or 2 days, and people install and figure out things have changed. So I'll check it out and stay tuned. If there is any changes, I will make a video, okay? In the meantime, please look in the description. I have my Tesla referral. So if you buy Tesla, use my referral, you can get up to 500 or 500 euros or dollar discount on your purchase of a Tesla. It applies to all models. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.